To turn on the gas heater, follow the instructions that we have on it. Make sure that the pilot is on. Look at on the sign. The arrow should be on the pilot. To turn it on and the different levels of heat, just rotate counterclockwise the knob until the heat starts to initiate. Wait a couple seconds. Graduate to the level desired. Once you're done using the heater, turn clockwise the knob until turn off and leave it at pilot. Please do not go beyond pilot. If you go onto off, it will turn off the pilot, which will cause that it will require somebody to come and turn it on. Thank you.